Welcome back to the Checkout Guy. In this tutorial, I will tell you how to create a cap discount 12% off up to 300 on holiday sales. So if you are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So for this, you need to download this next discount cap and limit app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then go to your Shopify admin panel. Then search for next discount app. Then click on create new discount. And then you can enter the discount title as flat 12% off and select discount code or automatic discount and then select percentage and enter the discount in percentage. Then enter the capping amount and select discount applies to all products. And you can also enter the discount message. This message will be shown to the customer when they apply the discount. And if you have any minimum purchase requirement, then you can also select that. And for the customer eligibility, you can select all customers. And here you can set your holiday sales timings and dates. So here I am selecting my end date. So if you want to combine this product discount with any other discount, then you can also select it from here. Then save your changes. Now we will test the setup on our online store. Go to your online store and you can add product to the cart and proceed to checkout. So here I will enter the test address. So here you can see the discount has been applied automatically and 12% of 5,000 is 600. But here we have added the capping amount of 300. So the total savings is only 300. It's not exceeding the capping amount. So now I will enter the product to the cart, which will not gonna exceed the capping amount. For example, this one. So here you can see that the discount has been applied automatically and 12% of 670 is 80. So that has been applied and the total savings is 80. So that's it. You have successfully created a cap discount for 12% off up to 300 on holiday sales. So if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy selling.